Ever scrolled through an Instagram profile and thought, wow, I wish I could just book their services right now? You see their amazing work, you love their vibe, and you're ready to become a client. But then, crickets. You have to hunt for a website link buried somewhere. Maybe send a DM and wait for a response, or jump through other hoops. Frustrating, right? In today's fast-paced world, instant gratification isn't just a desire, it's an expectation. Your potential clients are browsing Instagram during their lunch break, in between meetings, or late at night, and when inspiration strikes, they want to act immediately. If the path to booking your services isn't seamless and lightning fast, you risk losing them to someone who makes it easier. Think about it from their perspective. They're already on Instagram, they're engaged with your content, and they're interested in what you offer. Why make them leave the app, navigate to a different website, which might not even be mobile-friendly, and then fill out a booking form? Every extra click is a potential drop-off point. You're essentially putting obstacles between yourself and paying customers. Now, imagine a different scenario. A potential client lands on your Instagram profile, captivated by your latest post. Right there in your bio, clear as day, is a button that says Book Now. With a single tap, they're taken directly to your online booking page, where they can see your availability, choose a service, and secure their appointment in seconds. No fuss, no hassle, just instant connection and conversion. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's the power of integrating Setmore directly into your Instagram bio. Setmore is a fantastic online scheduling platform designed to streamline your booking process and make it incredibly easy for your clients to schedule appointments with you. And the best part? Adding it to your Instagram bio is surprisingly simple and can make a world of difference for your business. So why is this so crucial? Firstly, it drastically reduces friction. By providing a direct booking link, you eliminate the steps involved in contacting you and waiting for a response. This immediacy caters to the on-demand nature of today's consumers. Secondly, it improves your conversion rates. When potential clients can book instantly, the likelihood of them actually doing so increases significantly. You're capturing their interest at its peak and providing a clear call to action that leads directly to a booking. Thirdly, it enhances your professionalism. A clear and accessible booking link in your bio signals that you're organized, efficient, and value your client's time. It portrays a sense of professionalism that can set you apart from competitors who rely on more manual booking methods. Fourthly, it saves you time and effort. Instead of constantly responding to booking inquiries via DMs or emails, Setmore automates the process. Clients can see your availability and book themselves, freeing up your time to focus on delivering your services and creating more great content. Finally, it provides valuable data and insights. Setmore tracks your bookings, allowing you to see when your busiest times are, which services are most popular, and gain a better understanding of your client behavior. This information can be invaluable for making informed business decisions. Okay, so you're convinced. You see the immense benefits of having a direct booking link in your Instagram bio. Now, let's get down to how you actually do it. It's a straightforward process that anyone can follow. First, if you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for a Setmore account. They offer various plans to suit different business needs, including a free plan that might be perfect for you to get started. Head over to their website and create your account. Once you have your Setmore account set up, you'll want to customize your booking page. This is where your clients will land when they click the link in your bio. So make sure it looks professional and reflects your brand. You can add your logo, choose your brand colors, write a compelling description of your services, and set your availability. Take some time to make this page inviting and easy to navigate. Next, you'll need to find your unique Setmore booking page URL. This is the specific link that will take your Instagram followers directly to your booking calendar. You can usually find this link within your Setmore dashboard, often under Settings or Sharing Options. It might look something like https://yourbusinessname.setmore.com. Copy this link. This is the golden ticket. Now head over to your Instagram profile. Tap on Edit Profile. This is where you can make changes to your bio and website link. In the website field, simply paste the Setmore booking page URL that you just copied. That's it. You've now added a direct booking link to your Instagram bio. It's that simple. But we can take it a step further to make it even more effective. Instead of just leaving the generic website link, you can use a call to action in your bio to encourage people to click it. For example, you could write something like, "Book your next appointment here, backhand index pointing down. Ready to work together? Click below to schedule. Limited spots available. Book now via the link in bio. Tap here to see my availability and book your session." Using clear and concise language will guide your followers and make it obvious what they need to do to book your services. You can even use emojis to make it more visually appealing and draw attention to the link. A pointing finger emoji, backhand index pointing right, or a calendar emoji, spiral calendar, can be surprisingly effective. To make your link even more trackable and visually appealing, you might consider using a link shortening service like Bitly or tinyURL. These services allow you to create a shorter, more customized link that you can also track to see how many people are clicking it. This can give you valuable insights into the effectiveness of your Instagram bio. Once you've added your Setmore link and a compelling call to action, make sure to test it. Click the link in your bio yourself to ensure it takes you directly to your Setmore booking page and that everything looks as it should. It's always a good idea to double-check these things to avoid any potential issues. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.